This question is taken from Profit and Loss from Class 8 BLE question bank. You can see here, after allowing a 20% discount percent is given 20% on the mark price of the price of article. 15% VAT was levied on it. If the watch was sold for rupees 6,900, calculate the mark price of the watch. It means what we have to find out? MP we have to find out, mark price we have to find out, and this one is given after discount and VAT means SP with VAT. Okay, so here SP with VAT is given. SP with VAT. What is the formula of SP with VAT? 6900 value is given. SP with VAT formula is SP plus VAT percent of SP is equal to 6900. What is the value of SP? We don't have value, we have to find out value, so we have to write SP plus VAT percent. VAT percent is 15%, so we have to write here 15 by 100 into SP is equal to 6900. Now we have to take LCM. This question is important for SEE student too. 100 SP 100 into SP, we get here 100 SP plus 15 into SP, 15 SP is equal to 6900. When you add, we get here 115 SP by 100 is equal to 6900. Now we have to find out the value of selling price. Let's cross multiply. We get 6900 into 100 by 115. So what we get here, value of SP is equal to rupees. Let's calculate this one. 6900 divided by 115 and we get 6,000. So selling price is here 6,000, but what we have to find out? Mark price, where discount is given. So we don't have any formula directly to find out mark price. Again we have to use selling price formula. Discount is equal to, discount percent is equal to 20% is given, so we have to find out mark price. Let's use the formula of selling price. SP is equal to MP minus discount percent of MP. SP we got here 6,000, so write down 6,000 is equal to MP. We have to find out, write MP. Discount percent is given 20%, so write down 20 by 100 into MP. 6,000 is equal to, let's take LCM. LCM what we get here? 100. LCM is 100. 100 into MP, 100 MP minus 20 into MP, 20 MP. 6,000 into 100 cross multiplied, this and this multiplied is equal to, when you subtract we get here 80 MP. So MP is equal to what we get here? First of all we have to multiply 1 2 3 0 4 5 4 5 divided by 80. So MP is equal to rupees, how much we get here? How many zero are there? 345 divided by 80 and we get 7,500. So mark price MP is equal to 7,500. Hope you understand this video related with profit and loss, which is very important for class 10 SEE students as well as BLE students of class 8. Thanks for watching till last. If you understand, please hit the like button, and if you are new on my channel, please consider subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell button so you will get notification of upcoming videos too. Thanks for watching till last. Have a